Which is the best M-Class battery-powered vacuum cleaner? Of course, this one. From Metabo, and I'll show you why I think that. Basically, everything is the same as for all manufacturers, but there is one special feature. Watch the video carefully, and you will see it. I only press the skill saw button and nothing else. Now I'll take the controller off the tool and try without it. Let's try with Festool. That's incredible, but also works with Festool. If your vacuum cleaner can do the same, write in the comments what its name is. Thank you.